Let me tell you, I used to think rooting branches was some kind of secret science only expert gardeners knew. Every time I tried to root a lemon, orange, or even a simple maple branch, it just shriveled up and died. Honestly, I almost gave up. But then I stumbled onto one tiny change, and it flipped everything around for me. Today, I'm giving you that game-changing secret. No fancy tools, no spending a dime, just a trick that actually works every single time. Here's what you need. Regular soil. Just make sure there's no fertilizer mixed in. And some basic sand. Yes, the plain old stuff you'd find at the playground. Mix them together in a 50-50th blend. Trust me, this combo creates the perfect rooting environment. Drains well, but holds just enough moisture for those roots to thrive. Next, grab a plastic bottle, slice it in half, and poke a few holes in the bottom. Fill it up with your soil and sand mix. Now here's where the magic happens. Always cut the bottom of your branch at a diagonal angle. That diagonal cut gives your plant more surface area to soak up water, helping it root faster and stronger. Seriously, this works for nearly anything. Mint, rosemary, willow, forsythia, citrus trees, even maples. If you're not planting your cuttings right away, just pop them in water to keep them fresh and lively until you're ready. Once you plant, your only job is to water twice a day, morning and evening. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Now, be patient. Roots usually show up in 30 to 120 days. It honestly feels like magic when you finally spot those roots bursting out. Take a look. These branches I rooted are now strong, thick, and ready for their next chapter. And I did it all with just soil, sand, and a bit of patience. No expensive supplies, no guesswork. If this helped you out, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let's grow something amazing together. See you next time.